In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find jobs on Glassdoor. If you're looking for a straightforward way to discover open roles and get a quick feel for company reputation and pay ranges, Glassdoor is a great place to start. I'll walk you through the essentials so you can run your first search with confidence in just a minute. Begin by opening your web browser and going to glassdoor.com. Double check the address bar to make sure you're on the official site. The homepage design can vary slightly by region, but you should see a clean header with navigation options across the top. Next, click Jobs at the top. This brings you to Glassdoor's job search page, where you'll typically find two primary fields side by side, one for what you're searching for and one for where you want to work. Think of this as telling Glassdoor the role you want and the place you want to look. In the job title field, type the position you're targeting. Use common, widely recognized titles like software engineer, marketing manager, or sales associate. If you have a level in mind, include it such as senior or entry level. As you type, watch for auto-suggested titles. Choosing one of these can improve the relevance of your results. If your role goes by a few names, try the most standard version first to cast a useful net. Now enter your location in the second field. This can be a city and state, a metro area, or a country depending on how broad you want your search to be. If you're open to remote roles, many regions allow you to search for remote as the location. Keep in mind that your results may reflect a radius around the place you enter, which helps surface opportunities in neighboring areas. When you're ready, press Enter on your keyboard. Glassdoor will load a list of roles that match your title and location. On each listing, you'll typically see the job title, the company name, a company rating, and in many cases, a pay range or estimate. These details help you quickly gauge fit before you click through to learn more. If your results look too broad or too narrow, adjust your wording in the job title field or refine the location to better match your goal. Then press enter again to refresh. That's it. Go to glassdoor.com, click jobs, search a job title, enter your location, and press enter. You're ready to explore what's out there with clarity and speed.